Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing. And today I have this ultimate speed headlight restoration kit, 19-piece set included, for cleaning old, cloudy or yellowish plastic headlight covers. Improves visibility for safety, especially when driving at night. 2-component system for clear headlights, 3 years warranty, made in Germany. Well, let's open the box and find out more about this product and how we can use it. And inside, of course, we're going to find out the manual. If you want to read, it's your choice, but stay with me, you're going to find out all about this product. Included we have one tube for headlight polish 50 gram. And another tube for headlight sealing 30 gram. 4 polishing cloth. They are quite huge. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4 and another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sanding strips. 4 2000 grain sanding strips, another 4 3000 grain sanding strips, and another 4 5000 grain sanding strips, and 1 polishing block. It helps to use all these grain sanding strips. That was all included at the box. It is difficult to make 100% restoration on your headlights, but why not? Let's try it. Now start by washing headlight thoroughly and remove dirt. Protect the area around the headlights by applying tape if you want. For heavily weathered headlights, like my case, rub the 2000 grit sandpaper around the rubber block. Dip both in water and wet sand the headlight lens with horizontal movements and adding water until no more major irregularities are visible. And in the end, remove the sanding residue with cloth or just spray it with water. Next step, rub the 3000 grit sandpaper around the rubber block, dip both in water and wet sand the headlight lens with vertical movements right now, not horizontal, vertical, and again add it in water until no more minor irregularities are visible. And in the end, clean again with a cloth or spray with water. Then rub the 5000 grit sandpaper around the rubber block, dip both in water again, wet sand the headlight lens with horizontal, at this time, movements, adding again water until the surface is smooth and even. And in the end, remove the sanding residue with cloth or water. And then you need to use the Ultimate Speed Headlight polish to the headlight and polish to a high gloss using the polishing cloth and a vertical motion. The greater the applied pressure and higher the speed of polishing, and then faster you will complete your job. And on a final step, remove the polish residue with damp cloth and then seal the polished headlight lens with the Ultimate Speed Headlight Sealing. This will keep the headlight lens clearer and cleaner for longer. I think the whole process is very easy. Just follow my steps and definitely you will have better results. And here we can see the right and the left headlight, and before and after. I think it has managed to clean very well my headlight. This is the newest product. In the past I have used another product. If you want, you can check in this video right in the corner after the end of this video. With a cost only 12 euros, you can clean your headlights, make it more visible, and you can repeat all this process after 3 to 6 months. Thank you again for watching, my viewers. Until my next video, don't forget to subscribe, share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.